Hi, little artists! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw and color a cute strawberry. Are you ready? Let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's start drawing with our black marker. We'll begin by drawing the pedicel and calyx of the strawberry. Great job! Now, let's draw the body of the strawberry. Awesome! Our strawberry is taking shape. Next, let's add some seeds to our strawberry. Our drawing is complete. Look at our dancing strawberry. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp with our black marker to make the artwork pop. Look how nicely our strawberry is dancing. Now it's time to color. We will use some beautiful colors to make our strawberry look amazing. Let's start with bottle green color for the pedicel and calyx. Next, green color.
Awesome!
Now, let's add some light brown color for the seeds. And finally, red color for the body of the strawberry. Wow! Our cute strawberry looks fantastic! Nice job, everyone! Hello, little artists! Are you ready to draw something healthy and fun today? We're going to learn how to draw a cute and easy carrot. Grab your black markers, and let's get started! First, let's draw the carrot. Start by drawing a long, pointed oval shape, like a triangle with rounded edges. This will be our carrot. Great job! Now, let's draw some leaves on top. Draw a few wavy lines coming out from the top of the carrot to make the leaves. To give our carrot some texture, let's draw some short lines across the carrot. These will make it look more realistic.
Wow!
Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outlines bold and sharp with our black marker to make the artwork pop. Wow! Look at our amazing carrot! It looks fantastic! Now it's time to bring our drawing to life with some bright colors. Here are our color pens. Let's start coloring our carrot. First, let's color the leaves. Green color.
Wow!
For the darker parts of the leaves, let's use bottle green color.
Cool!
Now, let's color the carrot itself. Orange color. Fantastic job, little artist!
Awesome!
Your carrot looks so colorful and beautiful. Keep practicing and making amazing art. Don't forget to share your drawings with us. Until next time, happy drawing! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.